Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So what I'm doing is I'm using a book called AutoCAD Mechanical 400 Practice Drawing. I can put the information for this book underneath this video so you can have it, and if you need to purchase it, I bought it from Amazon. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was around $20. uh it just helps with a lot of drawing, and the more you draw the better you get at it, honestly. So I'm just gonna draw every single one of these as a technique and show it to you how to draw it, so that way you will have it, and you can practice it on your own, and then if you get stuck you can watch my videos and see how I do it. So right now we're working on example number 3. I'm just gonna type line, LI for line, click on it, and somewhere on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and click. I'm going to go perpendicularly up and straight up for 6 units. And then I'll go to the right direction. And the reason I can track these lines is because, once again, I have this one on. So if you have it off, I'm not going to be able to drag any point. But if you have it on, then you can have that little dotted green line that tracks the line straight for you. So I'm gonna track this for 2 units towards the right direction. I'll go 1.5 points up. I'll go 3 units to the right direction again. I'll go down 3 units. I'll go this way 5 units. Go down another 3 units. I can just track that point and click it right here. I'll go down 3 units. I'll go this way 3 units. And then I'll just go up, find that point by tracking, and find this point and click. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.